So the big picture for this lesson is graphing systems of linear inequalities. Here I have a system of two linear inequalities, and I color-coded them because the first one is going to be red and the second will be blue. So let's graph the first one. So remember, to graph these, you graph the related equation and then shade. So 3x plus 2y equals 6 is graphed first, and this is in standard form, so I'm going to use the intercept method. Put in a 0 for x here, and that's going to leave 2y equals 6. Divide by 2. So y equals 3 is that intercept. Now we'll put a 0 for y. So you get 3x equals 6. Divide by 3. X equals 2. There's that intercept. So I'm going to draw a solid line because the inequality includes the equal to part. And then the shading, the test point, I'm going to use 0, 0. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 times 0 is 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 6? The answer is no, so the 0, 0 side over here is not the half plane that's the solution, so I'm going to shade this other side over here. This half plane is the solution set. Now we're going to graph the second one. So we have to graph the related equation, that's negative 2x plus 4y equals 4. Same graphing method this time, so 0 for x, 4y equals 4, divide by 4, y equals 1. So there's the intercept, y equals 1. Put in a 0 for y, you get negative 2x equals 4. Divide by negative 2. So x equals negative 4 divided by negative 2, which is negative 2 is the other intercept. So now I'm going to draw a solid line because the equals is included. Test point 0, 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 4? See why I use 0, 0 all the time is because it's so easy to figure out. Is 0 less than or equal to 4? Yes. So that means the 0, 0 side is the true half plane. So this side over here is the one that gets shaded. So the solution to the system of inequalities is the common area for both. So that's where the red and blue overlap. So that is this part here. I'll just shade it darker. And that means all the coordinates in this area are solutions to both inequalities. And this is a way to represent every single solution visually, so that way you don't have to list points all day long to talk about the solutions. You just make this graph and you're good to go. So that's the big picture for this lesson.